Hey, what's up guys? My new toilet just got delivered a few days ago. I installed it myself. Overall, the install was pretty easy. I think the hardest part I'd say is that the toilet is really heavy. I think the box it came in said it was about 110 pounds. So, like I said, the install wasn't bad, but it was a little difficult just kind of lifting it up by myself and getting it set on the flange. But if you can see, it is a really nice looking toilet. I really love that it's a one piece. The old ones, like the two pieces, get, stuff stuck all in the cracks and everything that really just difficult to clean. This one seems like it's gonna be really easy to clean. And you'll notice that the actual seat here, it's about 17 inches, which is about the same as my old toilet, but the real big difference in size is the backs of the tank. I think this one is about around 26 inches, I think it was. And my old toilet was around 37 inches. So it was almost 10 inches taller, but they serve the same function, and this one actually seems to work better. So I like that it's actually really low profile and just makes my overall bathroom look bigger, because you can kind of see this is a fairly small bathroom. But overall, like I said, it feels really sturdy. I like having the single and dual flush option. I like kind of the brushed look. And then it comes with like the soft close lid. I mean, they are, it's just a plastic lid, but it's a soft close. So overall, I think the value of the toilet is really good. I did tons of research from, other things listed on Amazon and all over the place. And I did settle on this one, and I'm happy that I did do so.